They will treat you in life the way you taught others to treat you. Don't do to others what you don't like having them done to you. It doesn't make sense to worry about things you can't control because there's nothing you can do about it. No need to waste a minute on something we don't have the ability to change. Self-esteem cannot be verified by others. Self-esteem must be assessed and approved by oneself. Joining other people is a big mistake. The need for the approval of others invalidates the opinion itself. Waiting for other people's opinion prevents us from moving forward and shaping our personality. When you judge others, you don't define them, you define yourself. One of the deadly sins that interfere with self-esteem. If you think it will work, you will see an opportunity. If you think not, you will see obstacles. As Dyer pointed out above, believing is power. The reality we project individually. If you think that feeling bad or worrying enough will change past or future events, you live on another planet. Lamentation is one of the whips of self-realization, according to Dyer. If your stay on Earth is so short, it should at least be enjoyable. Being happy will give us a pleasant life trajectory. You are what you choose today, not what you chose before. Day after day is what matters, both before and after. Self-esteem cannot be verified by others. Self-esteem must be assessed and approved by oneself. Joining other people is a big mistake. Just a ghost that wallows in the past. Do you want to be a ghost or a living person?